Hi, in this course we will try to know about the unique constraint in SQL. SQL unique constraints. Both the unique and primary key constraints provide a guarantee for uniqueness for a column or set of columns. A primary key constraint automatically has a unique constraint. So you can have many unique constraints per table but only one primary key constraint per table. SQL syntax. Alter table, then table name, add constraint, and then constraint name here. You see table name, unique keyword, and in the bracket we just want to use column 1 and column 2. So let's take a look in query window. We have a table for personal info here, and its columns are ID, first name, last name, age. So if I select the values from personal info, select star from personal info, so our result, we have only one record here. So if I use the constraint for unique, for ID, for first name, so we just need to add the query, alter table, and then table name, person info, add constraints, you see unique. This is user defined, we can use any name here, UC underscore person info, and then unique key. I just want to unique for first name. So if I run this, we have a unique constraint for person info for first name column. So if I select the values from person info, yes, we have a record for one record here. So if I give insert the value, insert into person table, select here, I just want to give the ID 2, and then first name here we already have David, so I just want to give the value for David, and then I just want to keep it null, and the age, just want to give the result for give the value for age 45. So if I execute this section, this means that it shows us the message violation of unique key constraint UC person info. This is our unique key constraint name. Cannot insert duplicate key or object. DBO person info, the duplicate key value is David. This means that we already have the first name value David, and that's for a reason we can't insert the same value in person info for first name. If I rename or if I give the another name, David Cameron, so how is the result? Yes, one row affected, means that our unique constraint working fine here. If I select the value from person info, yes, we have two records here. ID2 David Cameron is 45 and first name is null. So in this way we can use the unique constraint for in our table by the column name here. Here I just use here only one column for first name. We can use here a name and ID here if I want. This is the two column, and in this way we can add more columns here to unique the values in a row in person info table. Thank you. Keep watching the next video.